Creating captivating videos requires a combination of a brilliant idea, a well-crafted script, an engaging performance, and seamless editing. But here's where the game changes. AI shines in script writing and captivating talking head videos. Join me as I demonstrate how I tackle all 4 tasks and harness the power of AI. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of crafting an attention-grabbing video intro. Once you grasp this process, you'll have the power to replicate it and create captivating full videos. Unleash the enchanting power of AI to kickstart your YouTube journey or elevate your existing channel to astounding heights. When it comes to finding a captivating idea for your YouTube video, the ball is in your court. Your vision and passion will propel you toward creating content that truly strikes a chord with your audience. In this section, I'll share effective strategies to help you discover engaging topics. One powerful tool at your disposal is Google Trends, where you can explore categories, specific timings, and analyze topic popularity for valuable insights. Another method is utilizing YouTube's search bar, which provides suggestions based on popular searches, giving you a glimpse into trending topics. Let's take ChatGPT as an example. Google Trends validates its status as a hot topic in the past year. Recently, my interest in exploring how this tool benefits students has surged. And guess what? Recent videos on this subject have garnered significant attention, affirming it as a fantastic idea. I'm truly passionate about it, and the audience is eagerly waiting to engage. Tip: to maximize your success as a content creator, I advise against relying solely on ChatGPT, Bard, or other AI tools. Their training is constrained to a specific date, limiting their effectiveness in generating current ideas. Instead, embrace independent research, leverage valuable insights, and craft content that deeply resonates with your audience. Now that we've selected the captivating topic of our video, which revolves around ChatGPT and students, it's time to dive into the script writing process. And guess what? This is where AI truly shines. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the tool that needs no introduction and will assist us in the script writing process, none other than ChatGPT itself. When I think about how this tool can help students, numerous ideas come to mind, such as summarizing, teaching, essay writing, tips for balancing a healthy lifestyle and studies, and the list goes on endlessly. But before we delve deeper into the content, there's one crucial aspect we need to nail down: the title of our video. After conducting research, I discovered that titles with numbers like 10 tips or 5 ways tend to captivate audiences. So, without wasting any more time, let's tap into the power of this AI chatbot and generate some exciting title options. Initially, I requested the tool to provide generic names, but I quickly realized that we needed that extra spark. So, I decided to add some numbers to the mix because, let's be honest, numbers make things cooler. Voila! The first option that caught my attention: 5 ways to supercharge your studies. Unleash ChatGPT potential. Doesn't it exude captivation? Now, let's shift our focus to creating an engaging intro for the video we've chosen. It's important to remember that asking the right questions is crucial for unleashing the full potential of this conversational AI website. To begin, let's consider the viewer's preferences. How long would you like the intro to be? Are there any specific styles or creators, such as Ali Abdaal, who inspire you? Is there any particular tip or aspect you'd like to mention? By taking these factors into account, we can utilize ChatGPT to generate multiple intro options. Feel free to experiment and play around with the tool until you discover an intro that truly resonates with you. And that's exactly what I've done here. Now that we have the script written, it's time to give it a voice and bring it to life. Whether you have a faceless YouTube channel or prefer recording videos with a camera, both options require a setup at home. But what if I told you there's another way? Meet Synthesia, the web app that turns your words into captivating videos without any equipment needed. With over 120 languages and 125 diverse AI avatars to choose from, this online AI-generated video application offers endless possibilities. By using this website, you can transform your script into a captivating video. Just copy and paste the script we previously wrote. Select an avatar like myself, although in this example, I'll be using Alicia, and if you like, Select a background to enhance the visual experience. With a click of a button, the magic happens. This virtual video creation site will generate the video for you, and once it's done, you can easily download it. You can find the link to the Synthesia website in the video description, so be sure to check it out and explore all the amazing features it has to offer. Now, I understand that some of you may not be ready to commit to YouTube for the long term. In that case, I've got you covered. I want to share with you a fantastic Fiverr gig that specializes in script writing and creating videos using Synthesia. This gig will be launched concurrently with this video. You can find the link to this gig in the video description as well. Now that you have a face in your video and the script you crafted, what's next? It's time for video editing. Video editing is undoubtedly a complex skill, particularly for creators managing a full-time job and a YouTube channel. However, there are alternative options for faceless YouTube channels. Tools like Pictory utilize AI to convert text into videos using stock footage. While these tools exist, my extensive research has shown that they may not always meet the desired vision. Don't worry, talented freelance video editors offer affordable services to meet your needs. When selecting a freelance video editor, remember these 3 tips. First, conduct a thorough search to find an editor who aligns with your style. Remember, price doesn't guarantee quality. Second, clearly communicate your vision and provide examples to ensure understanding. Third, don't shy away from requesting revisions to refine the video. By following these tips, you can confidently choose the right editor. For our intro video, I've collaborated with Selman, an experienced editor. Though new to Fiverr, his potential shines through. Now, without further ado, let's see the final result that he produced in one day of working on this.
Hey there, fellow students. Are you ready to take your studies to the next level? I've got something super special lined up just for you. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 mind-blowing insights brought to you by ChatGPT. Brace yourselves for some serious knowledge bombs as we explore how this AI chatbot effortlessly summarizes complex concepts, enhances your writing skills, optimizes your study routines like a pro, unveils effective exam strategies, and shares priceless time management tips. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your learning journey with the incredible power of ChatGPT by your side.
In conclusion, embarking on a YouTube journey requires dedication, passion, and a hunger for learning. It's important to remember that building a successful YouTube channel and making money online is a long-term game. Don't be discouraged if your early videos don't gain immediate traction. With the advancements in AI and the endless possibilities, there's no better time to start. We are thrilled to have reached 50+ subscribers, 1,000+ views and 100 hours of watch time, and we are deeply grateful for your support. The process that I've shared in this video is just the beginning of our journey, and who knows, when we reach 10K subscribers one day, I may be able to share even more valuable tips. If you enjoyed this video, we ask you to like, share, and subscribe. We value your input and would love to hear what you would like to see in our next video.